Hello, this is Mr. TikTok. If you are one of those persons that doesn't care about protecting their identity on the internet, I tell you, just type your full name and address on any web search. Let it be Google, Bing, Yahoo, you name it. Just do it and you will be surprised what the internet knows about you. I just want you guys to see so you guys can understand why it is important to be very low profile on the internet. Like always, this was Mr. TikTok. Have a nice day. If you liked the video, please subscribe. And if you want more videos with even more quality, donate to my PayPal. Thank you for watching.